Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GA4 e-commerce tracking step by step clearly. To get started with GA4 e-commerce tracking, first, ensure you have a Google Analytics 4 property set up. Log into your Google Analytics account. Select the GA4 property you want to work with. Navigate to the admin section in the lower left corner. Under the property column, click on Data Streams. Choose the data stream for your website. Scroll down to the Enhanced Measurements section. Make sure Enhanced E-commerce is enabled. Next, you'll need to implement the necessary e-commerce tracking code on your website. If you are using Google Tag Manager, open it and create a new tag. Select Google Analytics GA4 event as the tag type. Name the event according to the e-commerce action you wish to track, such as purchase, view_item, or add. To capture the e-commerce data, go to the Event Parameters section. Add parameters like currency, item ID, and transaction ID based on your e-commerce setup. Set the triggering conditions for when the tag should fire. You might want to use triggers such as page view or specific button clicks. Once this is configured, save the tag and publish your container. After implementing the tags, it's essential to test your setup. Use the preview mode in Google Tag Manager to verify that the events are firing correctly. Check the real-time report in GA4 to ensure events appear as expected. If everything looks good, the final step is to monitor your data over time. Evaluate the e-commerce reports in GA4 to gain insights into your sales performance. Keep optimizing your tracking setup to reflect any changes in your e-commerce strategy. This will provide a comprehensive overview of your online store's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.